height of that tower. In our lovely German window cleaning lift. When it was over, the eruption, the magma empties itself out through the top and sinks down again into the magma chamber. Which is creating this beautiful dome, and we're actually standing on the debris that caved in. There was extreme heat, so you get all these beautiful colors when the rocks are being completely baked. The red is the iron, the brown is the copper, the different shades of yellow are different sulfuric compounds, and then we have a lot of different minerals serving.